This Nintendo DS Lite wouldn't turn on, and I had no idea why. The battery was good, the charger was working, the only thing I noticed was how loose the power slider was. So I started taking it apart expecting the power slider to be a little bit out of place, but instead I found out the real problem. The power switch had completely broken off the motherboard. Without this switch, this console was never gonna work. Luckily, I had a donor motherboard ready to go, and with one motherboard swap later, this DS Lite was back to life and ready to be enjoyed again.